control. If the sky is pink and white, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed me. Nod my head, don't close my eyes, halfway on a slow move. It's the same way you showed me. If you could fly, then you'd feel south. Up north's getting cold soon. The way it is, we're on land, so I'm someone to hold true. Keep you cool when it's still alive, won't let you down when it's all ruined.
Hey guys, so I'm back with another YouTube video, and today I'll be showing you guys how to put gel nail polish on your nails. So first I'll be starting with a clear coat of UV gel nail polish. So now I am done painting the clear coat on top of my nails. I just let it dry for like 5 to 6 seconds. And it's very shiny. And now I'm going to go over it with a silver sparkly gel nail polish for the top coat. So now that I am done putting the silver sparkly gel nail polish on top, I just cure again for 5 to 6 seconds, and it's very sparkly. I didn't expect it to be this light. I was expecting the glitter to cover my whole nails, but I just went ahead and kept it because it's pretty. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!